Welcome to Ani's Hub. Where is Anirudh? Where is Mr. Cox? Come, let's find them. We found them. Hey, hi. What is that? It's footcups. Can you try? Yeah. Come on. Come on. I need blue. B-L-U-E. I need A. Run slowly. Wait, I will run. Come on, I'm running slowly. It's like jogging. Okay, I completed my task. Up for Charu. Color, what color do you want? Violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. A-B. Find the toy and pick a stone. I have found the stone. Yeah, super.
Okay, now you have to find the toy.
Where is the toy?
Go find. Charu, find. Can you find the toy?
You made a clue. It's near the steps. You can search. Oh. Yeah. I have found. Yes.
Okay, you have found the toy.
Oh.
Okay, now shall we go to the craft now?
Yay!
Can you all teach me how to do 4 cups?
Yes.
Okay.
We know how to do a focus.
Okay. Come, let's go into the video.
Yes. Well, now we can start our craft. See, it's a fast step for focus. Now we want to take a sheet of paper and cut it into a square. And you can fold like, and we want to cut. See, Charu, you should do like this. Yes. And cut and glue.
You have to be careful while cutting with scissors and knife.
Cut carefully. Hansika. Okay, Akka. Shall I help for you? Okay. I have finished. Okay.
Okay, let's move to the second step.
Yes. Now you can keep the sheet like this. Okay. And fold like this.
Okay.
And fold like this.
Okay.
See, Charu. And press like this. And
Okay.
tightly you want to press.
Okay.
After opening, the line will be showed on the center of the paper.
Okay.
Then, now again we want to fold from this side. Not Charu, from this side. Okay. After pressing the paper, we open means and it will be shown that plus. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. You are correct. And now from the plus, see it's a box. You can see?
Yes.
In that box, we want to fold it like a triangle. Fold it like a triangle for the every boxes.
Okay. So you will get 4 boxes, right?
Yes.
So only it's called the 4 cups.
Now we are telling that it's a box. After doing, we will tell cup.
Okay.
See and turn back and do the same.
Okay.
We want to fold
turn. You have to turn it and you have to fold again.
I am also already finished.
Okay.
Akka is also finished.
Okay. What's the
Akka
next
is
step?
almost done. 4 cups ready.
Okay.
Yeah. Only one part to go.
Okay.
Now we want to turn back and we want to fold like this. We want to turn front and fold like this.
Yes.
See, this is the front side.
Okay.
And we need to fold like this.
Okay.
How it is? Okay, I will make and give. Now we have folded. See. See,
Okay.
Hansa's fold cup is ready.
Okay.
Color, what color do you want? Have to write. Right. Yes. Cup is ready. See. Wait. See.
Okay.
Now we can wait for me. Okay. My fold cup is also ready.
Okay.
Now we have to write the focus.
Okay.
Now
You
we
can write
take our sketch pen.
any colors.
Yes.
Okay.
You can write your favorite color with your favorite color.
Okay.
Which color do I write? Yellow charu. Red. That is my favorite color. Yes, for me also, Anirudh. And pink.
Okay. For Charu, which is your favorite color, Charu?
Blue.
Blue.
Her
Okay.
favorite color is blue.
Blue. Okay.
Hansika's
Hansika's
favorite color is pink.
Okay.
I am writing in cursor.
Okay.
I have written the colors and turn back. Write A, B, C, D, all numbers. I'm finished.
Okay. Hansika has written alphabets.
Yes.
You can write alphabets or numbers.
Numbers. Yes. That's your wish.
Okay. Inside what you're going to write?
Tasks.
Okay, tasks.
Hard one.
Okay, I'm waiting.
And I can do easier. We can give a tough task.
Okay.
Then only it will be interesting.
Okay, then only the game will be interesting, right? So your 4 of you are making 4 cups, right?
Yes. 4 members are making 4 cups. And 4 cups.
Yes. Everything is 4, right?
Yes. 4 members, 4 cups.
Yes.
We have done 4 cups.
Wow, 4?
It's a different color.
Yes, very nice.
It looks like a fish. See, my fish is going to bite Hansika. My fish is going to bite Akka. Oh, it's biting. What color do you want? Red. P-I-N-K. What number? A. Okay. Now we can see our task. Done. Hansika, act like a elephant. It's a dance. To a song I will sing. Sunny. You can dance. Dance.
Okay, very nice dance. Very nice singing. Very nice activities. Great. Very good game. Is it?
Your turn.